Hi, it's David here, Future Trading. I want to go ahead and give you the update to the NQ. I see you guys have been watching this one. Make sure you hit the like button. Please make sure you do that so that YouTube algorithm can push the video out to those that need it. Go ahead and hit the like button right now and let everybody know that you appreciate the content. All right. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at what happened since the last time we shot the video last week. So here we go. We were right here. There's the overnight range. Played the bottom of it, kind of moved up, hit the top, came back to the means, shot outside the top here, came back into it before 9:30, shot up to that 216.75. Now remember, I gave you this price level back on the 30th. All right, still important. Fell down to the bottom of the overnight range, kind of came up above, kind of right here, just got sandwiched in between both of those levels there. Played the backside of the means, fell outside the bottom, came back up, hit the means of the this morning, and then of course we came back on the top of the range here, only to race up to that 216.75 from the 30th. All right, I gave you that price level on the 30th. Let's take a look at that daily. Here's that daily. All right, so we got the blue outline bar again. All right, and here's the high here. There's a no close there. There's the NC, no close above this bar here. 198.50. All right, and we came in. We haven't closed officially yet, but 193. Would like to see them get a close up here. And I told you on Friday, if once they break this low, and I even told you this before Friday. I believe it was Thursday. I told you I don't like what was on the bottom of this bar, and I had looked at a 1 minute and told you that I didn't like what was there, but they was doing it. And I told you if they get under this bar, you want to see them hurry up and get right back to going up. All right. And so hopefully that's them doing that. Hopefully, hopefully that's them doing that. The only problem, we got this blue outline bar here. They need to close above here. However, okay, we got the no close from over here. The low of this bar is 120.75. And as you can clearly see, we're not under that. All right. So we're still above that. All right. Here's the hard stop level here. Okay, so the hard stop level is 28.50. Here's the back of the static zone. All right, back of the static zone is 050. All right, 050. And so the low here, 63.25. So they came really, really close to that and then pop right back out of there. Now, if you want to see what that looks like on, I guess, the price action chart with the range, I'll pull that out for you. And you can go ahead and get eyes to what this may look like for you before 9:30. So had a couple of no closes over here with the green bars. All right, and that's from like 9 o'clock. They dove down, hit those. 9:30 came in right about here. All right, so 9:30 right here. You can tell when this bar took off, all you want to do is make sure that the mid of this bar, while it's trading, the mid of the bar just need to be above this bar's high. That's it. The moment that mid of this bar, which is pretty much all you're doing, is making sure that this bar size is being mimicked on this bar. So you want it to mimic that size here. You want to make sure the mid of that bar jumps up above the high of this bar. The moment it does that, there's the hard stop, no close back under the bar, take the ride. It's really, really simple stuff. All right, so trade the momentum. Now, when it turned back around, of course, it came back to the range, fell outside the range, hit the overnight range here. And there's all the colored bars with the stop placement and, of course, the NC. You can pause the video, see all the possible trades that you could have taken. And, of course, you want to make sure you're doing this with the trend. All right, so nasty business right in here, just really, really nasty. No close here. Let me see what we got. We had a no close here. They kind of tagged that for a bit and then want to get up under it. Then they finally did it. Came back up, and of course, there's the hard stop. Gave you some more of that I don't know, that push down there, then jump back up. Nasty business here, no close above this. And again, you can pause the video and just take a look at all this back and forth, and you'll see that again, this is really, really important stuff. And as you can see, we kind of got above it, fell back down, came under there, and then of course, that's them, of course, back up by the end of the session here. So that's what they're doing. Now you can go back and take a look at all that information. Just pause the video. And again, you can see all the potential setups just using that one price action method that I released to the public. All right. So here's that daily. Yet once again, here we go. I told you they need, once they fall under this bar here, they needed to hurry up and get back to it. Hopefully that's them doing it. Hopefully. Now, again, we got the blue outline bar here. There's a no close level. You saw what they did up here. All right. They didn't want to, close above this bar. Hopefully by tonight, the end of the tonight, they can close above this price level. Hopefully, all right. And if they can, they still got a wall sitting right here. All right. So hopefully they can just go ahead and just punch and just get straight to it and get back up here. If not, they're going to take a further dive. Will they turn when they get down here? you'll have to judge what it looks like when they get here. I'm gonna be honest with you. I do not want to see them come out of this zone. I don't. If they do that, I can't say what it could turn into. All right. Now, I do believe if they come down here, there's a chance they're going to kick this turn. All right. And that's just my opinion of it. We may not see that target right away. We may not see that target right away if they do not hurry up and get straight to it. So if they come down here, they can possibly kick this turn. And I believe land here. I'm gonna be honest with you. I believe that they can land as far as this if they do not go ahead and get to it now. They don't get to it now. I'm thinking that they may get here. I doubt if they'll turn from here. I'm gonna be honest with you. So we'll keep an eye on this and see where it goes. And I wish you all the best with your trading. Make sure you hit the like button if you like what's here. And if you not a subscriber and you would like to become a subscriber, definitely do so. And I'll have all the links below the video to all of the stuff that I'm showing you, the ranges, the static levels, the price action setup. You can click that trading guide link and you can find all that information there. All right. So I wish you all the best with your trading. Take care.